I'm back. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to your girl channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I know it has been forever you have not seen your girl, or your girl have not seen her beautiful, beautiful people. But I want to say welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sarah's House of Flavor. I do miss you guys, and I know, without even asking, I know you guys have missed me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. But your girl is back in her kitchen, doing what she loves, enjoying what she loves, and you know it's cooking. So, without further ado, I want to say to you guys, welcome back, and I do miss you. And today, in my kitchen, I will be cooking, yes, as always, but I am going to show you one of my favorite meal. I am going to do pasta with chicken breast in coconut sauce. So stick around, don't move, stay right there, enjoy, just relax while your girl do some cooking for you all. Alright, so just stay right there, guys. And also, if you have not subscribed to your girl channel as yet, please click on Sarah's House of Flavor. Click on that bell so when your girl upload all her new videos, you will be notified. So let's get this talking all over, and let's get some cooking. I'll be cooking one of my favorite meal for you. Alright, so let's get the ball on the road. In two chicken breasts here, what I'm going to do, I am going to cut them in small pieces like strip, or if you want to do them in like maybe square shape, it's up to you. I am going to do mine in strip. Alright, so here, as you can see, okay, alright, so I'm going to cut them a little bit smaller than this. Alright, so like that, like this. Okay, guys, so now you can see I already finished cutting up my chicken in small pieces. I go ahead of time and cut up some onion, garlic, scallion, some thyme. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add everything to my chicken. Add a little powder season. I'm not a big fan of powder season. I'm going to add some chicken seasoning on it, and then we start cooking the chicken. Alright, so there you can see. Alright, so now that everything is all on the chicken, I'm just going to incorporate everything here. There you go. And then I'm just going to stir fry these, and then I show you how to prepare your pasta. And as I go along in the kitchen, you'll see how this dish is coming along. So there you go, guys. That's my chicken. So I'm going to saute it now, okay? I am just going to add just a little oil to my pot. Alright, and then I am going to add the chicken, just to saute the chicken, okay? Alright, so you add everything, the seasoning and everything. See, you can smell the aroma coming from this chicken. Alright, so we're going to leave this, let it just saute. Alright, so there you go. And I do have my water over there for my pasta. You can see here I have the water. So I'm going to let this come to a boil. What I'm going to do also, I'm just going to add a small amount of oil to the pasta, to the water, so that your pasta come out really nice. They're not sticking together. That's the whole idea. Just put in a little salt here, not much. Right. That's it. So chicken is here. Alright, so now you can see that the chicken is almost ready. Okay, there you go. Right, don't want to overcook it. So there you go. And over here now I have my water. As you can see, it's boiling. I'm using the penny pasta. Alright, this is a next brand. Alright, so I think I'm gonna use this one instead of this one. It's the same, it's just a different brand. Alright, so as you can see, the water is over here boiling up, so I'm gonna add the pasta. There you go, just adding my pasta here. Just give it a stir. Okay, and just let it cook for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want to cook it out too much. Alright, there you go. So my chicken is almost ready. Alright, so I'm going to put it aside. Now I'm going to show you how to make that coconut creamy sauce for our pasta. Alright, so now guys, you can see I am going to just add a little, just a small amount of oil just to grease the bottom of my pan. Alright, okay, there you go. So here I have some scallion, I have some fresh thyme, and I do have some chopped onion, and I do have my coconut milk. So I am going to just show you now this is the last of making this meal, and this is what's going to give this meal that nice, tasty, very tasty flavor. Alright, so I'm just now going to add just the onion. Not going to add the thyme as yet. Alright, I'm going to add the thing just for them to marinate just a little. My pasta is also ready. I'm just going to check on my pasta to see how far it is. As I said, I don't want it to cook out too much. So while that is there, let's taste and see if our pasta is ready. I think our pasta is ready, so I'm going to turn the flame off. So remember, my chicken was already sauteed, so I'm just going to add it here. And this is the secret ingredient, not the secret, but this is what will give that nice flavor to our pasta. All right, so some coconut milk. Okay, there you go. I'm just gonna let this just boil for a minute. So I'm gonna cover here and let this just boil for maybe 2 minutes. Then I add the, after it starts to get creamy, I'm gonna add the pasta to it. All right. Alright, so now guys, you can see how creamy this is getting. Look at that, it's very creamy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead now and add my pasta. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm also going to add just a small piece of margarine. And then dinner is served. See how creamy this is? Also remember the time that I show you. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the time off this. Okay. So now spin here. So that's our. So guys, as you can see, look at that. So this is ready. Look at it. So that's our pasta in coconut creamy milk. Okay.